Norte, a two-seated sailplane, revolutionizes the experience for independent pilots and aviation clubs. Its innovative shearing system enhances access to gliders, fostering stronger pilot club connections. Featuring an electric engine for self-starting and a tail trigger undercarriage, Norte ensures quick deployment. Prioritizing safety, it incorporates a comprehensive safety package combining active and passive features to minimize damage. This approach aligns with the latest accident reports and market safety standards, providing pilots with optimal protection for a secure flying experience.